So the problem is that in education, look, the way that math is taught is by rote memorization, right? This is the way it's been given to you. It's the way it's been given to everybody else. Now somehow, you guys and I managed to take that rote memorization, and we got lucky as a group. Those of us in this room got lucky because somehow we saw the meaning behind it more than most people do, right? I don't think it's a gift. I think that there is.
We should be considered gods.
We are math gods. The truth is that there are a lot. Okay, so you want to know what I really think? I think that we got lucky because something clicked for us early on, and we managed to do something with it. But I don't think that that gives us intrinsically any more ability. I don't think I have any more ability to do math than most of you guys. The intrinsic ability is basically pretty similar. It's hardwired into all of our brains to operate, to do this stuff. I mean, otherwise, how can you, I told you this a while back. If I throw a Frisbee for my dog to catch, the dog's brain does a calculation to go to where the Frisbee is going to be and actually get there. I mean, how mathematical is that process? If you're running for a fly ball when you're playing baseball, how mathematical is the process to recognize that that ball is going to go through a parabolic arc, actually delayed a little bit by wind resistance, and the ball player can go and be right where the ball's going to come.
Isn't a lot of that just like repetition? Like you just see it and then you remember it and you see it.
I think that's part of it.
The first time you catch a fly ball, you don't know where it's going to land.
I think that's part of it, and so you're building a lot of that muscle memory in, for sure. But the truth is that how many baseball players do you think are noted for their mathematical ability?
Zero.
Except that in their bodies, they have built this mathematical ability in, haven't they? I mean, they actually are able to do that, express this mathematical intelligence in their ability to go after that fly ball in a way, better than any of us could do. Because they've worked it. Because they've worked it. And so my point is that we all have the potential for it, but you got to work it, right? You got to develop it. We got lucky, and we have developed it to get to the point where we are as a population. So we're, again, we're not in the standard population for how it goes. So this comes partly because education in the United States, anyway, is given in terms of rote memorization.